Now insert both the potentiometers onto the robot body. Flip the body over and apply solder to the pads of all the legs of each potentiometer. Now let's insert the IC socket onto the robot body. Insert the socket while making sure the notch on the socket is facing upwards. Flip the robot body over and solder the legs of the IC socket. Now insert both transistors to the robot body. When you insert them, make sure the curved face of the transistor is facing to the right. Now let's flip the robot body over and apply solder to each leg of the transistors. With a wire cutter, cut the legs of the transistors at the base of the pads. Now let's insert the right red LED. Insert the LED while making sure that the longer leg is inserted into the left hole and the shorter leg into the right hole. Slide the LED all the way through and bend the legs so that the LED stays in place. For the left red LED, insert this one while making sure that the longer leg is inserted through the right hole and the shorter leg through the left hole. Flip the robot body over and bend the legs of the LED. After that, apply solder to the pads of both LEDs. Now use a wire cutter to cut off the excess portion of the LED legs. Next, we're going to insert the capacitors. Do this by inserting the longer leg through the bottom hole and the shorter leg through the top hole. Flip the body over and bend the legs of the capacitor. Now apply solder to the pads of both capacitors. Bend the legs of both capacitors and cut the legs at the base. Next, let's insert the switch. On the switch, there is a line sticking out of one of the sides of the switch. Make sure the switch is inserted onto the robot body so that this line faces the left. Now apply solder to all legs of the switch.